Hi, welcome to this video. You can schedule Instagram posts natively within the app by opening the plus button, right? Or tapping the plus button at the very top left. Choose Reel instead of Posts, right? And let's say I'm gonna choose this video. So I'm gonna hit next, next again, add the captions, hashtags, whatever, right? Location, tag people if you want to. And before sharing, you just tap more options, turn on the schedule this reel button, right? And choose a day and a time. Hit done. Go back, then press schedule on the bottom middle or at the bottom right, excuse me. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. So you can schedule content up to 75 days ahead. You are limited to 25 scheduled posts per day, and it works for public personal profiles as well as professional creator accounts. See you.